Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install CraftingCraft mod. Now it's a very original name, but anyway, it does a bunch of crafting tables and 2 portable crafting tables. You probably know what it is, but anyway, here's some screenshots. And yeah, basically, if you don't know, it just helps you with crafting. I guess you can make these crafting tables and you can craft inside your inventory. So anyway, let's go find the download link. So 1.8.9, that's what we're downloading for. We want to click this. That should show us this download link. Just press download on this thing and press keep. Close it before it shows many ads. And then you want to go to Forge and we're going to click on the recommended 1.8.9 installer. I'll leave the links for both of these websites so you can download the Forge and the mod. So just check in the description and you should find them there. Now we press skip here and we're going to download the Forge. That's done, so we're gonna press keep and we're gonna minimize this for now. Close this. We can minimize this as well. And we're gonna drag it here, this and this here, and we can minimize this as well. Now what we're gonna do is gonna install Forge. So just double click this. Should say 1.8.9. Just press OK. It's gonna take you longer than this. Just keep that in mind. It might take some time to do it, up to 2-3 minutes or 4 or 5. Depending on your internet and stuff like that. So just press OK when it's successfully installed. And we're gonna now install the mod. So we're gonna go to percent, updata, percent, press enter. We need to find out Minecraft. It could be up here or it could be down in the bottom. Just go into it and find a mods folder. There's probably not gonna be a mods folder if you're doing mods for the first time. So just do right click, new folder, and name it mods, and go into it. Should be empty if there's other mods in here. Make sure to remove them for now because they might crash with this mod. Sometimes it happens. Anyway, now we want to move this mod into here. We can drag it, we can copy it, we can cut it and paste it, we can do many things. So I'm just going to drag it and I'm just going to make sure it's 1.8.9 up here. Now we're going to close this and we're going to start Minecraft. Also, I'm going to delete this installer.log thing because I do not need it. Also here, we're going to select Forge 1.8.9 as you can see from these versions. See how it says Optifine? Make sure it says Forge and select 1.8.9 and press play. In the mods, CraftingCraft is installed. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It should probably work when you load into a world. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.